So first it's like, I'm going to tie this thing so I can look fashionable. And then she's like, oh no, I tied it too tight. This is going to be stuck on my face. And then she's trying to get it off, and she's being so aggressive that she's bloody. She's like, you know, bleeding from the forehead. And then the next thing that happens, she's just like accepted her fate. She's like, fine, I'll just die with this veil on. This was a bad decision. Then she's like, I've changed my mind. This is terrible. I cannot go out like this. So she tries again. This is her, maybe. And then there she is. Relief. Sweet relief. So there you go. That was interesting.